Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to recover your Google Authenticator account. If you lose your phone, change your device, or can't access your Authenticator codes, this tutorial is for you. On your browser, go to any Google site to access your Google account. For example, go to google.com and log into your account. Once we are logged in, we need to click on the mini logo in the upper right corner. From there, click on Manage Your Account. You will then see Security and Sign In. Under Security and Sign In, find Two-Step Verification. Let's click on that. Scroll down and you will see the Authenticator app section. Once we are here, we need to change the Authenticator app to recover or set up a new one. If we have a new device and want to set up a new Authenticator, just click Change Authenticator App, then scan the QR code with your device. Next, click Next and enter the code shown on your device, then verify it. That's it. We have now recovered our Google Authenticator account. We can start using two-step verification on the new device right away. This also helps us recover access to other accounts connected to Google using backup codes and device transfer features. It's the safest way to restore our authentication setup and keep our accounts secure. And that's how we recover a Google Authenticator account.